All these receipts are from Facebook Marketplace sales, which I have made recently. If you want to actually start making up to 50,000 naira daily or 100k or more than that every day on Facebook, it is very, very possible, guys. And the good thing about this for me is that I don't even have a physical shop. I sell from the comfort of my home. And I don't even have plans to rent a shop right now. So right now I'm on online store selling my products. For you to make money sales on Facebook Marketplace, you need to figure out what products actually works for you. You need to focus on getting quality products for especially your customers who are ready and willing to buy items for you. Not everybody that asks you, is this item available, is actually going to shop from you. But there are millions of audience on Facebook Marketplace, and that is why we are going to be using this Facebook Marketplace to be able to cash out, guys. And another thing that can keep you long in the game in this Facebook Marketplace is for you to find items, products that are not easy to find, products that are not random. If you're selling quality different products that are not easy to find, definitely you'll be able to keep customers. You'll be able to keep people always coming to your online space to buy items from you. Facebook Marketplace is an automatic free online store created by Facebook for its users to be able to market the products and services for free. You're not even paying money for this. The only thing you need is an internet connection, your phone or your laptop or your computer. So if you have an account or you don't have an account on Facebook, this is the right time for you to create an account on Facebook. There are millions of people that are there waiting for you understand, to either patronize you. And let me remind you again that you don't even need any money to start selling on Facebook Marketplace. The main thing is to find the products that works for you. Try as many products that you know you can sell. And if you also have services that you can offer, you can also make money and see clients there. You can sell used items, you can sell new items, you can provide any services. The only thing that you need to do is to promote, advertise, and let people be able to see you on this Facebook Marketplace. I started making daily sales on Facebook Marketplace when I understood this. Making up to 50k every day, you understand, to 100k. Sometimes I make lesser, but at least there must be money in my hands, all only from Facebook Marketplace. So you also can be able to do this and make money also for yourself. You can also do drop shipping on Facebook. You don't actually have the inventory. That is why you need to know and source where these items are coming from. So all you need to do is to find contacts of those suppliers and make sure you take their photos of their products and share them on Facebook Marketplace. You understand? If you have been posting products or items for the past 2 to 6 months and you're not getting any sales, you're not getting any leads, all of a sudden you are giving up on making sales on Facebook Marketplace. The only thing you need to ask yourself is why. Why am I not making sales? You need to find out the why. Suddenly you are giving up. And when you have not find out the problem on how you can move forward, you just need to plan on how to get better. A lot of people are using Facebook Marketplace to cash out, making sales, delivering products in their locations and even outside their locations. So if you're interested in making money on Facebook Marketplace, you need to leverage all the opportunities you have so that you can be able to make sales, guys. And that is why I want you to make use of this opportunity. If you have your phone and you are interested in making sales or you're looking for something that you can actually do, you can actually use Facebook Marketplace to make sales. I have practically made millions of sales using Facebook Marketplace, which is literally free. The app and website is free to use. As long as you have a Facebook account, you're not paying any money to anyone. And sometimes we are so frustrated that we are not making any sales. Right now, I want you to have it at the back of your mind that It's not everyone that will buy from you. Not everyone asking, is this item available, will buy products from you. So you don't need to actually give up on this. Facebook Marketplace has already made it possible and easier to market, promote, and advertise your products. It's now left for you to use the platform to make your sales. From there, those customers will buy more from you and even refer their family and friends to you. You understand? One of the sales that I made over the weekend was from a customer from Facebook Marketplace, because I have, in fact, she's now my customer. So she referred her family member to me over the weekend, and I was able to make sales worth 55,000 naira from that particular lady. Honestly, I didn't even believe that. What I did was just to tell her, thank you so much. Your sister-in-law bought this particular item from me, and I am so grateful. I am so happy for this sale. And for people to become your customer, you need to make sure that you must deliver any item that people are ordering from you. You must be able to make sure that this item you must deliver. And you also need to be consistent. And because you didn't make sales today, it doesn't mean that you are not going to make sales tomorrow. So the consistency that people sees that you are going to be always there, you understand, when they need item. I started selling on Facebook Marketplace 2 years ago, and I am so happy that I was able to find out this particular, online store to use and make money for myself. So right now I'm going to be showing you how you can start on Facebook Marketplace, listing your items on Facebook Marketplace so that you can be able to attract customers who can patronize you, whatever products or services that you are going to be delivering on Facebook Marketplace is actually going to help you, with products, descriptions and tags. You are definitely going to be making money on Facebook Marketplace. So the first thing we're going to be doing, we're going to be logging in into our Facebook right now. And immediately you enter into your Facebook, you now head to your profile. And from your profile, it will open up to your Facebook Marketplace. And right now, I'm in your Facebook Marketplace right now. Scrolling, you can see other people are posting their products. You can see different items on this particular Facebook Marketplace. So the next thing for you to do is to list items. It's not hard. You can see my own profile. This is my profile. Over 7 days, I had like 3,323 people that are clicking on my products. And I have followers also. There is no how this 3,000 something, some people will not be able to buy items. Not all of them are going to definitely buy from you. You can see my seller rating. I have ratings here. People are, rating me here on this platform as well. So you can see I have almost 700 something listing products that are already listed. And there's no how that I'm not going to make it on this particular place. So right now I'm going to be choosing a particular picture that I want to share on the Facebook Marketplace platform, which I'm going to be listing there, putting descriptions, prices and everything. So right now I'm going to choose this particular shoe, this white ladies canvas, and I need to put more pictures, you understand, to attract buyers. So the first thing you do is to add your title, fashion designer shoe, any title that you want to give to the shoe that is befitting for the title, you give it to the title. And the next thing that I have to do right now is to put the price. What is the price of the goods? So you need to put affordable price that you know that your followers can be able to buy. So this particular shoe is going for 35,000 naira. It's a quality trainers for ladies. Even men can actually wear these particular trainers. So I'm going to add if it's a used or new items. This item is new, and as you can see, I'm putting the descriptions right now. You have to add the descriptions, beautiful trainers, anything that you want to actually put for the trainers first. And after doing that, you need to publish. After publishing, Facebook marketplace, they will go through the item and review the item. There are some certain items you don't post on Facebook marketplace, like branded items that has all these heavy designers like Gucci, Fendi, those kind of designers, you don't post them there. If you want to post something like that, you can actually use something and cover the logo so that they will not, remove your item from the Facebook marketplace. And if you keep posting things like that, they might even close your account. So you don't put anything like that. So after putting my descriptions, I need to put my location so that people around me will be able to get this particular item and easier for them. And we do delivery anywhere that is possible. You do delivery in your location. You also do delivery outside your location. So delivery is a main thing for this Facebook marketplace. So you need to ask people, if you're offering payment on delivery, people should know that you can actually, offer payment on delivery. And the next thing, you can now share this particular product to other buy and sell groups. So you can actually join other buy and sell groups so that your market or your products can be visible to other people, as you can see. So this is very, very simple. And with this, people will start sending you messages. Is this item available? Is this item available? And you will be able to discuss with them how you can sell the items. Some people are just here only to click on the picture and ask is available, and they're not buying anything. So you shouldn't be worried about those kind of people. All you need to do is to post your items, and you keep posting randomly, you understand? If you're into any particular item, you keep posting them. As you can see, people are asking me, I sell shoes. Shoes is what I sell. They're asking me, is it available? We exchange contacts. I make sure I collect contacts of people. You must make sure that you are collecting phone numbers for these people and you save them. And some people, you have to remind them of any particular item that they want to buy. You don't just keep quiet. You need to tell them, please, can I have your phone number, so that you can actually call them, especially if the person is interested in buying a particular product. Sometimes they'll forget. So you need to actually remind the person that this item is ready for delivery. Delivery is one of the major problems that we have on this Facebook marketplace. A lot of people don't even know how to do this. So like me, I don't do payments on delivery outside my location. You must actually send me money before I send my items, because I've had countless issues concerning this. Or if you are able to find people who can deliver for you in certain location, it will be very, very good, and it will fasten your, making money on this particular platform. Honestly, a lot of people want to buy certain things from me, but because of payments outside delivery, and that they are not even ready to pay some of the costs that it will take. Some people don't even want to pay for delivery. So that is why, if we agree on a certain note, on a certain certain way that we can actually do this business, I will be able to do it. So make sure that if payment on delivery is okay for you, you do that. If it's not okay for you, you let the person, if you can be able to convince the person to be able to send you money, then you now send the item. It also works on both way. If you try this Facebook marketplace from 1 to 2 months, 3 months, I'm telling you, there is going to be a difference, unless you are not serious, unless you are not posting. As you can see here, I have up to 717 postings that I've been listing for the past 2 years. And some of the items I don't want to sell again, I'll just put it out of stock, or I will delete them. So if you're serious and post more items, Facebook will be referring your products to many people who are in need of these particular items. And it's not everything that you list that you are going to sell. Not everything that you are going to sell. So if you have more questions, question that you want to ask about this Facebook marketplace, you can send message, share, comment, and like, and I'll be glad and able to guide you on how you can actually, start sharing products on Facebook marketplace. Make sure you know where you're sourcing your goods from. It's very, very important, so that once somebody asks you, is this particular item available, you now say, yes, this item is available.